Number 1.
1997 Toyota Tacoma, price $8,000, powered by a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering a classic and engaging driving experience.
With 286,000 miles, this Tacoma has proven its durability and continues to run strong.
It features a black exterior matched with a clean gray interior, giving the truck a timeless and rugged appearance. This Tacoma comes equipped with power steering, cold air conditioning, and a fully functioning heater for everyday comfort. Entertainment features include an AM/FM radio, premium sound system, and a backup camera with recording mode for added convenience and safety. The truck also includes a bed liner to help protect the bed from wear and tear. Several upgrades have been added to enhance both appearance and performance, including premium fuel wheels, upgraded headlights, and a professionally installed lift kit that gives the truck a more aggressive stance and improved ground clearance.
Number 2.
1997 Ford F-250, price $7,200, powered by a dependable 5.4L V8 Triton engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 150,000 miles. This gasoline-powered 4x4 truck is finished in a sharp red exterior with a clean gray interior, giving it a classic and well-kept appearance both inside and out. The truck runs and drives excellent with no known mechanical issues and has clearly been very well maintained throughout its life. It comes nicely equipped with power windows, power locks, cruise control, and a tilt steering wheel, offering a comfortable driving experience whether used for daily driving or longer trips. It also features a tow package and brand new tires, making it fully capable for towing, hauling, or weekend work duties. The body and interior remain in remarkably clean condition for its age, showing the care it has received over the years.
Number 3.
1998 Ford F-150, price $6,700, comes equipped with a reliable Triton 5.4L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has only 99,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in white with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been well maintained by its second owner and includes a clean title with no known accidents reported by TitleReport.com. This truck features a factory tow package, cast aluminum wheels, a snap-on toolbox, a sliding rear window, and 2 key fobs. Several recent upgrades and maintenance items have already been completed, including new brakes and master cylinder, new tires, fresh spark plugs with a full tune-up, a new front seat cushion and cover, and a replaced headliner. Despite its age, the truck remains in solid condition and is described as an oldie but a goodie, offering dependable performance and classic late 90s Ford truck appeal.
Number 4.
1993 Ford F-150, price $4,800, equipped with a reliable 300 CI/4.9L inline-6 engine paired with an E4OD automatic transmission and 2WD drivetrain with 3.55 gears. The truck has 185,000 miles, a burgundy exterior, gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The current owner has had the truck for the past several years and is the third owner overall. It has been dependable and well cared for, with everything functioning as it should. The truck was mainly used as a daily driver while another project truck was being rebuilt, and it's now being sold to help fund college expenses. Features include a CarPlay stereo, backup camera, cruise control, rebuilt cold AC system from a 1995 model, bench seat armrest console, LED interior lighting, and a tow receiver rated for 5,000 pounds. The trim and tailgate accents have been blacked out for a cleaner appearance. Recent maintenance includes new tires, battery, starter, water pump, fresh fluids, and AC work. Overall, it's a clean and solid truck with only one known issue: the muffler needs a weld repair.
Number 5.
1990 Ford F-150, price $6,950, powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 116,500 miles on it. Finished in red with a matching red interior, this gasoline-powered truck is a two-wheel drive model and has been well maintained over the years. The current owner has had the truck for the past 3 years, during which it has consistently run great without any overheating, low oil pressure, or battery problems. It has never needed to be taken to a repair shop during that time. The body remains in solid condition with no major rust issues, avoiding the common wheel well and door rust often seen on these trucks, showing only minor surface rust. Additional features include power steering, power brakes, power windows, and power locks, making it a comfortable and easy classic truck to drive.
Number 6.
1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500. The truck has 176,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It features a green exterior with a tan interior, giving the truck a classic and clean look. Overall, the body is in pretty solid condition for its age. with the only major rust appearing in the cab corners, and the bed rails also have a few dents. Mechanically, the truck has received some recent maintenance, including new rear tires and a new battery installed in 2024. The front tires are older and will likely need to be replaced in the near future. This Chevy 2500 runs and drives well, making it a solid option for someone looking for a dependable older pickup with classic styling and V8 power.
Number 7.
1969 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000, powered by a strong-running small-block 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. With 85,000 miles on the odometer, this classic long-bed pickup runs and drives very well, cruising smoothly on the freeway while remaining a reliable driver overall. Finished in green with a matching green interior, the truck retains much of its original character and features a great patina that gives it an authentic vintage look. The body is mostly original with straight body lines and only surface rust, showing no major rust issues.
Inside, the interior remains clean for its age, and the truck still carries its original trim and tailgate. Powered by gasoline and backed by a clean title. Number 8.
1993 GMC 1500, price $6,500, features a strong new 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, with receipts included for the engine work. The truck shows 250,000 miles on the body and is powered by a gasoline engine. It comes finished in red with a gray interior, giving it a classic old-school truck appearance. This is a rock-solid, rust-free Southern two-owner truck that was locally owned and recently traded in after 23 years of ownership. Despite the mileage, it runs and drives well, and the condition reflects the care it has received over the years. The current owner recently acquired the truck and plans to install a lowered stance along with new wheels and tires to complete the look.
Number 9.
1973 Ford F100, price $9,000, powered by a strong 360 V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth C6 automatic transmission.
Finished in blue, this classic pickup has a great overall presence and offers dependable performance with power steering and manual brakes.
According to the owner, the truck runs and drives great and has received several important recent upgrades to improve reliability and drivability. Recent maintenance and new parts include a new fuel tank, new carburetor, new steering box, tie rods, drag link, and a new set of tires.
These updates make the truck a solid driver that is ready to be enjoyed on the road.
With its classic styling, proven drivetrain, and upgraded components, this 1973 Ford F100 is a great example of a vintage American pickup.
Number 10.
1986 Mazda B-series, price $4,000. The truck has 199,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. It features a blue exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with power steering, manual windows, and manual door locks. Although the paint is heavily faded and peeling in several areas, the body remains very straight and rust-free overall. There is one rust spot near the rear corner of the bed and bumper area, along with a small ding on the front driver's side fender. The air conditioning likely just needs a recharge, and the tachometer is currently not working.
Despite these minor issues, the truck runs and drives well.